All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So jumping into today's video, making sure that the power is off to start off. In this box in the kitchen, there was two separate circuits, one for the disposal and one for the lights. So if you are working in a kitchen just like this, make sure everything is dead in the box. From there, once the power was off, I went ahead and unscrewed the old switches, and like I said, these there was a problem in the kitchen, so I was troubleshooting this. So basically, I don't know what the problem was. I just took it apart and did it right. So how you do that is take everything apart and then turn the power back on and find out which circuit is which. The left circuit was the lights and the right circuit was the disposal. So once I figured out which circuit was which, I had my friend turn it off and back on to double check. And then I grabbed one of the wires, which was the switch leg, and then I touched it to the lighting circuit, and that turned on the lights. So I knew that right wire was for the switch leg, and then plugging in a light to the disposal, figuring out which was the half hot, and that was on the top, and then touching the other switch leg together on the red to the disposal power. That turned the light on, so I know that red wire went to the half hot, as it should be a 3-wire anyways, and then the other switch leg was to the lights. So then once my friend turned the power back off, I knew which wires went to which switch, so I'm going ahead and hooking up the disposal switch. So I hooked up the disposal power on the black and the disposal switch leg on the red, and then on the second switch hooking up the lighting power and then the lighting switch leg, and then that was it. So once you know how to do this stuff, it's pretty easy, but it's just easier to take everything apart and not try to figure out what's wrong with it, and just go from the start and use your information and your knowledge to redo it correctly in the first place when you're doing this. So hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully this was educational to you guys. And then once I got these ready to go, I just kind of hung them back in there because the tile isn't quite ready for them to go back in. The tile will have to get cut a little bit, and then turn the power back on, testing them out, getting those ready to go. The lights turned on the left switch, and then the right switch turned on the light that I had plugged in down there, as you can see. All right, that's going to do it for today's video, everyone. Hopefully you found it informational and it helped you out. Once again, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. It would help the channel out, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Anything else, hit the second link in my link tree in the description for social medias, anything like that. And then lastly, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Having a big giveaway coming up. You're not going to want to miss that at 10,000 subscribers. So that'll be in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. Other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.